All right, kids, today's project takes us to this area right behind me. I kind of touched on this the other day when I was doing that video about soil here in Lake County, Ohio. But basically, this is an area that we had containers in, but it was really low in the middle. And at one time I had my potting soil pile here. So not only was it low, but it was mucky. It was always wet. The plants didn't like it. We didn't like walking in there. It was just mucky and squishy. So I decided to finally fix it, which was kind of a pain because I had to take up all the irrigation lines and then pick up all the black ground cover cloth. But I did that in the fall. And then the fall, I think I brought up like 15 yards of soil. I spread it out by hand, raked it all out. And then I wanted it to kind of settle over the winter. And it kind of did that. It's not quite as firm as I wanted it to be, but I don't really have any options. I'm not going to go rent a tamper or anything like that. So I'm going to finish leveling off because I had some low spots, so I brought another few yards of soil up. So I'm going to finish leveling these off. I actually picked my center point. I actually put like a piece of 2x6 in there with a nail in it. And then I've got, you probably can't see them in the video, but I've got strings going in 4 different directions so that the actual center of the bed will be the high point and everything else is going to kind of drain away from that. It won't be perfect, but it's going to be 1,000 times better than it was. So I'm going to kind of bring you along in pieces. I don't want to bore you to death, but we'll try and make this as short as possible, yet give you an idea what I got going on here. So you can see I put some concrete blocks along the pump house there because that was really low. And that is as good as it's going to get. It's raked. It's way better than it was. So now it's time to cover it. It's covered and ready to go. The ground cover cloth is down. About the only thing left to do here is put the irrigation in place. And if you go back a couple of days ago, I posted a video about securing this ground cover cloth, and all the irrigation stuff was in place in that video. So hey, thanks for watching, and until next time, by any and all means, stay inspired.